Hi there! Welcome to Predictamail. In this video, I'll walk you through the campaign section where you can create, manage, organize, and monitor all your email campaigns. On the left sidebar navigation menu, go to the Campaigns section and click on Create New Campaign to get started. There are 4 steps named as Campaign Information, Recipients, Content, and Review. Let's go through each step in detail. Campaign Information. This is where you set the foundation for your campaign. What would you like to do? You can choose either from the Saved Settings template or the new default template. You can set campaign names like Flash Sale, Mega Deal, Limited Offer, etc. As of now, only email type is available, where you can send targeted messages to your customers through emails, and SMS type will be coming soon, where you'll be able to send messages directly to your contacts through the SMS channel. Add tags to help organize and group your campaigns. You can choose from the default tags or create new tags by simply typing your keywords and click on Create New Tag. Your new tag will be created. Click Save and Continue button, and it will save all your information and takes you to the next step. The Recipients section lets you choose who will receive your campaign. Here, you can pick an existing recipient list or create a new one. This will determine who receives your email. You can also exclude any list from receiving campaign. If you don't want your audience from over-emailing, then you can skip those contacts who received an email within the last 16 hours. By including tracking parameters, you can track campaign performance through third-party reporting tools like Google Analytics. On clicking the Save and Exit button, it will save your changes and return to the campaigns page. Click on Save and Continue to save your recipients and move forward to the next step. Now in Content, where you create the design and structure of your email. Let's run the campaign without enabling A/B testing for now, and then we'll discuss A/B testing in the later part of the video. Enter a catchy and engaging subject line to encourage recipients to open your email. Add a short preview message that appears in the inbox before the email is opened. Choose the sender email identity. This determines from where the email appears to come from and helps build trust with your audience. You can select either of these. Use professionally customized, ready-made templates to build your email faster. Ideal for quick setups, promotions, newsletters, sales announcements, and seasonal events. Choose from your previously saved or custom-created templates to maintain consistent branding. Perfect for recurring campaigns, branded layouts, or custom email structures. Once you choose an option, you'll see all the templates available. Just pick a design you like and preview it to see how it looks. You can also edit the template to customize the content, layout, images, colors, and structure. Click Save and Continue to save your content and move forward to the next step. After completing the first 3 steps, you'll arrive at the Review screen. Here, you'll be able to preview your campaign details like recipients, email content, and any suggestions or warnings before sending. When everything looks good, click the Schedule or Send button. This will open a pop-up with 2 options. First is to schedule and send your campaign later at a specific date and time. You can choose the sending type. Fixed Send Time sends the campaign at one exact time, or Gradual Send over several hours sends the campaign gradually by delivering a percentage of emails each hour. Pick the exact date and time for your campaign to be delivered. Specify the time zone to ensure your campaign sends at the correct local time. Second option is Send Now, where you can send your campaign immediately. That's it. Click on Send button and your campaign will be sent successfully. Now let's discuss enabling A/B testing in a campaign. Rest of the above steps will be similar as before. Enable A/B test to display all testing options. Here you can create 2 or more content variations to compare performance. Enter different subject lines for both the variants to test which one drives more opens. Add unique preview text for each variation to influence inbox engagement. Choose different sender identities if you want to test sender name impact. Select or modify unique templates to compare different email designs, layouts, or styles. Click the Add Other Variation button to create additional variation profiles. This allows you to test multiple versions beyond A and B, giving you more flexibility in identifying the most effective content. Click at the Delete icon to remove a variation profile. This is helpful when you no longer need a version or want to simplify the test. Content settings determine how your A/B test will run and how the winning variation is selected. You can choose the winning metric to determine the best performing variation. Available options are click rate, measures which variation receives more link clicks; conversion rate, tracks the percentage of recipients who perform a desired action; open rate, identifies which subject line or sender combination attracts more opens; placed order, counts how many orders each variation generates; placed order rate, calculates order percentage based on total recipients; revenue, compares total revenue generated per variation; revenue per user, shows how much revenue is generated on average per recipient. Selecting the right metric helps ensure the winning version aligns with your campaign goals. Test size will determine how many recipients will receive the test variations versus the winning version. For split delivery, you can assign different percentages to each variation. For simplicity set, a variation, 25%, B variation, 25%, and winner, 50%. Use this slider to apply these values. This gives you full control over how your audience is divided. Say you have 100 contacts, 25 receive variant A, 25 receive variant B. The remaining 50 are held until a winner is determined by your selected metric. For example, if your winning metric is click rate and variant A generates more clicks than variant B within the defined time frame, variant A is selected as the winner. Those remaining 50 contacts are then automatically sent variant A. You can select test duration, how long the test should run before we choose a winner. You can pick a time frame anywhere from 1 hour to 30 days. Once you click Save and Continue, everything that follows will work the same way as it normally does when A/B testing isn't enabled. Click Return to Campaigns, and you will return on the Campaigns page. Here, you can see all the campaigns which you have run. On the Action menu, you have two options: Archived Campaigns. Access campaigns that you have archived. This lets you review past campaigns without cluttering your main campaign list. And second is Saved Templates. It opens your previously saved or custom-created templates. This allows you to quickly reuse layouts and settings for new campaigns. Use the search bar to instantly find campaigns by name. From Bulk Actions menu, you can delete, archive, and export all your campaigns. You can filter campaigns list by status and tags easily. Click Filters to open the Advanced Filtering pop-up. Here, you can narrow down your campaign list using multiple conditions. You can filter campaign by campaign, created on, open rate, and click rate. There are operators like equal to, not equal to, contains, starts with, ends with. Adding filters can stack several conditions to refine your search. There are two conditions to choose from, and or. And, where all conditions must match. Or, where any conditions can match. Save Filter will save your custom filter setup for future use. Duplicate will create a copy of a saved filter. On clicking Delete, you will remove a saved filter from your collection. Clear All resets all applied filters and returns to the full campaign list. Edit Columns. Customize which columns you want to display in your active campaigns table. You can show or hide these columns like campaigns, type, tags, status, created on, open rate, click rate, scheduled on, sent on. Export your active campaigns anytime with one click. Your exported list will be generated as a CSV file. Predictamail will email the file to your registered email address, useful for backup, analysis, or migrating data. In Campaign Table, every column helps you understand performance, status, and activity at a glance. Campaign name, type, indicates whether the campaign is an email campaign or an SMS campaign. Tags, displays any tags applied to the campaign, such as seasonal labels, categories, or custom organizational tags. Status, shows the current stage of each campaign, like draft, live, scheduled, paused, sent, or failed. Created on date. Open rate, shows the percentage of recipients who opened the email. This helps measure engagement. Click rate, displays the percentage of recipients who clicked a link inside the email. Scheduled on, shows the date and time when the campaign is scheduled to be sent. Sent on, indicates when the campaign was actually sent. On every campaign action menu, there are options like Duplicate. View Analytics shows detailed performance insights such as open rate, click rate, revenue, and delivery stats. You can save the campaign layout and settings as a reusable template, archive, and delete. And that's it. Now you must be aware of the whole campaign section and ready to use. You can create powerful, visually appealing, and highly targeted email campaigns right inside Predictamail. If you ever need assistance, the Predictamail support team is always here to help. Thank you for watching, and we hope Predictamail helps you elevate your email marketing.